Welcome back to Math with Terentia. Now we are going to learn multiplication and division of rational numbers. So we'll start with our rules. I want to recap the rules of addition and subtraction so that it will be easy for us to compare. So first I'll go with the first rule. Denominator need not to be same. It may be same, but it is not necessary for us to be same. And number 2, in addition and subtraction, we will add or subtract only the numerator, but in multiplication, we will multiply or divide both numerator and denominator. These are the two rules. The denominator need not to be same. And we should multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator. Now let's move on to some examples. Multiply 3 by 12 and 4 by 5. As I said, the denominator need not to be same. Here I have different denominators. No problem. You don't want to change the denominators. The common errors what students will do is, even for multiplication, they will take LCM and convert to same denominator. That is not necessary for multiplication and division. So now I can multiply both the numerators and the denominators. So the answer is 3 times 4, 12, 12 times 5, 60. Now we can simplify this to convert the rational number in the simplest form. So I know I can divide by 12. So it is 1 by 5. This is method 1. If I solve this in method 2, means I am good in simplification. So you can easily solve this multiplication problem. So you can cancel this using cancellation method. 3 times 1 is, I will change the red. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 4. And again, see, you have 4 and 4. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 1 is 4. So the answer can be written as 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. So this is the second method to simplify and then multiply. Both you will get the same answer, but the second method makes your work easier. Now we'll move on to division. Before moving into division, we need to know about multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? 3 by 5. The multiplicative inverse, or we can also say it as reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. 3 by 5. The reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is we need to change the denominator as a numerator and numerator as a denominator. The reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. The multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5 is also minus 5 by 3. The negative sign does not change, only the numerator and the denominator will change. Why it is important for division? Let's work some problems. divide 4 by 5. 4 by 5 divided by 15 by 6. Step number 1. Keep the first fraction as it is. Keep the first rational number as it is. 4 by 5. Step 2. Change division to multiplication. We can't divide directly. Change division to multiplication. Step number 3. Write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal of the second fraction. We should not take the reciprocal of both the fractions. We should take the reciprocal of only the second one. So 4 by 5, first fraction as it is, change multiplication. First fraction as it is, change division to multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 6 by 15. Now we can multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 15. 5 5s are 25 too. And it is 75. Check whether it can be reduced to simplest form. I hope we can divide by 3. So 24 divided by 3 is 8 by 3 times 2, 6 is 5. So 8 by 25 is the answer for this. Thank you.